This is a throwback video from, I think, 2022, near Fernandina Beach. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida, where I negotiated down to $65, turned around and sold this component in less than 30 minutes. So check this out.
Complete surround sound system.
And it's the remote to go to it?
Yep, it all works. We just don't need that size of product.
Okay.
I mean, it's newest, like $900.
They're pretty good ones, huh?
Yeah, brands are
Okay.
number one.
You think you can do 50 on it?
Huh?
Think you can do 50 on it?
How about 65?
All right, let's do it.
If I remember correctly, right here, the price was $85. I offered $50. We made it $65. I said deal. $700 device.
Do you have a way for me to pay with a credit card?
My credit card. Sorry.
You don't? Okay.
No,
I guess
we aren't that sophisticated.
I'ma still get it. I might have to run to the is there an ATM around here?
There's Wells Fargo right up on 8th Street.
I can use that one.
I'm just saying, if you just get right up the street here, there's a gas station right there.
Right there. Yeah, I could just use one of those.
Okay.
But you can go ahead and put it down.
Well, it's a receiver, it's a surround sound, it does everything.
Okay.
I mean, you look at the
Oh, yeah.
outputs.
I got you. You can do.
I mean,
Like you can do dang, what's all these?
it's
A lot of stuff.
right here.
You got your fronts, your back.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
see.
a complete surround sound plus it'll do the media player, they'll do a CD, DVD. I mean,
Everything.
everything.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Okay, well, get your money and come back and we'll.
I got you. All right, family. So I didn't have the cash on me, which I usually always do, but I rushed out and I just had it on the card, so I had to shoot to the ATM. You know. So let's see. Rule number one: keep cash. Always have cash when you're going garage selling, yard selling. A lot of people take cards and Zelle and Cash App and all that. A lot do, but many don't, because a lot of people are elders and they just stick to the basics. So what I did was, this item right here is a big ticket item. You know, a lot of times you go to these estate sales, yard sales, and people be so quick to jump on the little cheap stuff that they'll overlook the real bag. I'm gonna say that again. They so busy fighting over the cheap stuff, $1, $2, trying to negotiate. When they see something $75, they don't even look further into what it's really worth. So
Don't step over hundreds chasing the dollar.
this receiver, if he haven't sold it, because I had to run to the ATM. I left him $15. That's all I had in my wallet. I left him $15.
If for some reason you do have to go to the ATM, make sure that you have them take the item down and leave some type of deposit to lock it in.
It's a sign right here. And hopefully he'll be honorable and not sell it. Usually when they have other people around, they don't want to look bad, you know, if they're any kind of decent person. But once you put that deposit down, you're good. But the solution to that is don't go without cash. So I saw another guy looking at it right when I pulled off. But you got to put cash in their hand. Put some type of cash in their hand to even have a chance. Because if you don't put cash in their hand, a lot of times they'll say, hey, we didn't know you was coming back or anything. So number one, keep cash available. Number two is always, if you do come and don't have any cash on you, and they don't have Cash App and different things like that, what you need to do is put some type of money in their hand, or some type of security in their hand if it's worth it. Because this item right here, I'm gonna pay $65, if he kept it, $65, and it's, you know, I looked up the comps, they like 800 in 10 minutes. I wasn't there 10 minutes. I'm here, we back up here. I wasn't there 10 minutes. So let's go up and let's see if he kept the item, he didn't sell it, or if I messed up by not having cash. I'm gonna get behind this truck right here. I see the device is still over there. The receiver is still over there. He's keeping his word. So right here, I just returned back from the ATM. I got my cash. I'm ready to see if he held the item and didn't sell it. So let's see. All right, I found some change.
All right, boy, you're lucky you came back.
But 1,000 people.
2 people was willing to buy it.
Yeah, I appreciate you being honorable. And
Yeah.
I had to go to the ATM. I went to that gas station up there, and I had to give me. I got cash now. I usually don't go without cash, but sometimes you're rushing.
Do you have, are you in the electronics to where you can hook all that stuff up?
I get on YouTube and.
Well, no, I mean,
You have a manual?
I have it online. If you go online and put in the model number,
Right.
I have it on my computer, and it's like 120 pages.
Oh, really?
Because it goes into detail on every aspect of it, so it's really pretty good.
So I can look it up like YouTube, Google.
Just Google it. Just
Yeah.
Google it. They'll give you the owner's manual, and if you want specifics, you can put in there, and it'll come up of the owner's manual certain things.
Okay.
I mean, that thing will do anything just about you want.
Okay. Well, I'm excited to get it, and I appreciate you holding on to it for me.
Okay, so you got
So you have a
12,
10. Oh, you
need 10
50.
back.
Oh, you 50. Like you kept it in pretty good shape too.
Oh yeah, it's and
Thank you, sir.
I didn't have the tuner, so I just ordered this. So this is brand new. It's never been.
Oh, okay.
In fact, it's got batteries in it, so this is just a brand new one.
Okay.
So it should be just as new as the day it was out. You know.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, it's in good condition. So I appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna look one more time, and then
Okay, you gave me the 20.
I gave you 60 right there.
Yeah.
I gave you 15 before I left.
Yeah. I
60,
know.
you gave me 10 back.
Look at this all messed up.
You got it though. I
I'm
gave you
sure,
3.
yeah.
I gave you 60.
Yep.
15 before I left. 60, you gave me 10 back.
I got it. Right here.
65. You might have to separate your funds, man.
Sure, why not? So there's your one. Hardbacks or what? I'm sorry.
This one.
$2. It's like career.
Thank you, buddy.
50 cents, and this is.
Y'all have a good one. All right, thank you. All right, thank you.
What you got?
It's a receiver. Yeah, pretty good one. Yeah. So I love yard sales, man. It's always something. Always something. And you spend all your money. Bingo, bingo. I'm 65.